Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download Instagram story. But before we start, if you appreciate me making a video just like this, just go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. Each like helps a lot because it gets us a few more views. And subscribe if you're new. Also, comment down below if you have any questions around the video. Okay, let's get started. If you want to download Instagram story, the first step you have to do is jumping into Instagram app. After that, click on the story you want to download. After that, click three dots at the bottom right and next click copy link. Now you need to go on Safari and type instapd. When you enter in this site, swipe below and click Instagram Stories Downloader. Swipe below and here you can type channel username. When you typed channel username, click search. After that, click continue. Swipe below and here you will see the story you want to download. After that, hold the blue download button and next click download linked file. To see downloaded story, you have to go on Files folder. Here on Downloads folder, you will see the downloaded Instagram story. But if you want to move this Instagram story to your gallery, click blue button at the bottom left corner and after that click Save Image. Okay, when you do that, click Done and go into your gallery. And here you will see downloaded Instagram story. That's the easiest way to do it. If this video helped you out, give me a like and subscribe for my channel and I want to see you in next video. Bye!